Right, so all could happen on the Gatecrasher 200 because pedal on left is going to fall off. Full brakes, yeah, back works a little bit. Right, let's not send myself to A&E. So we're just rolling nicely on the Shogun. Oh, this is all right. I can deal with it. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the best. Face full of mud. Yo, I'm having another go at this Shogun, my lark. This is good. Hey, what's up here? It's all right, this. Ah, yeah. What you need to do is scooch down a bit when you're on it. Pretend that you're a professional. You know, you see them like this. Do that. No, honestly, you think I'm joking? Do that. Go down jumping up, and you'll find that it's just a lot easier. I did it even on the Gatecrasher 200. Dropping in. Oh yeah, boy, that were better. A bit nose heavy, but you did all right. What on this? Yeah. What's that? There ain't no fucking brakes to be had on this. Right, we'll just totally no brake it, innit? What do they call it now? There's a name for the no braker. Is it? Oh, I know this one. I know that I know it. I'm just dying, just give me a second. Right, no brakes. Death grip or something. Oh, ah! No brake. It won't pedal. Hang on, we're recording. We're recording.
Yo, why don't you go down this one and sweep it down that one and back up?
Why don't I just not listen to you guys to send me to A&E on
go down
this?
that one and you sweep it round into that one.
No, I'm just going to go down this one again, if you don't mind. I might die. Yo, the fucking cranks won't go around. Ah! Ah! Oh, ah! Oh, God. Oh, that is the best. I love it. Oh, I've got to get me one of these. I need to get me one of these. It's like the Ferrari of the mountain bike world. Oh, beautiful thing. Hang on. Oh, bell's broken. Bell's broken. Can't bell it. Bloody hell, it must be pollen in here, but I'm having like a snot attack. Right, it's been absolutely beautiful. It's treated me well. It didn't send me to hospital. So, you can't argue with that.